everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen, and today I will be giving you guys a short review on some of the products that I've been using for the past couple of weeks and why I think that these are great investments to make for your skincare. I really appreciate the support so far. It's really motivated me to, come up with new content and to film and edit and all of that. I just want to say thank you. If you like the videos that I have made so far, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and turn on the notification button so that whenever I have a new video, you can see it right away. So I'm thinking of releasing videos every Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when I have time to film and when I have time to edit. And to all those that are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy these videos. So I would say that 2019 to 2020 has been a year where a lot of the focus of the beauty and healthcare industry has been on skincare. In the past, it has been makeup, but now everyone's focusing on skincare. And I think a lot of this has to do with the influence from Korean beauty, because what they value is how the skin looks and all of that no makeup look. And that starts with good skincare and having like a good foundation. Thank you to Korean beauty for introducing this trend and making it so popular, because now I can share my passion for skincare to all of you guys. Skincare has been really important to me for as long as I can remember, ever since I was, a young girl and I watched my mom do her full beauty regimen. It really made me value skincare as well, and I think that for me, it really comes from a place of love instead of, just because this is a trend that I am doing this. And I really hope to inspire all of you guys to love and enjoy skincare as much as I do. So up first is Glow Recipe. This is a brand that I used to think was overhyped and I didn't really want to buy into that, but then after looking into the brand more, I decided to invest in it and give it a shot. So this is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, and currently it's actually sold out on Sephora. That's when I know that this is like a really hyped up product at the moment. So this helps to hydrate the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. It's alcohol free. It's formulated with PHA and willow bark, a natural form of BHA, to help unclog and decongest the pores. It's also combined with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and cactus water. So everyone's heard of AHAs and BHAs. They are chemical exfoliants, but for sensitive skin types, it might be too irritating and way too strong for you, which is why they have come out with the PHA version. PHA is a larger molecule size compared to AHAs and BHAs, meaning that it won't go as deep into your skin as the other chemical exfoliants, which is why I highly recommend this for sensitive skin types. I have sensitive skin as well, and I tried this for a couple nights last week, and I actually woke up with my pores looking a lot more minimized. It's definitely on the more viscous side, but it absorbs very well into your skin. So I wouldn't really recommend using this during the day, because during the day I tend to use vitamin C to help brighten up my skin and fight against free radicals with its antioxidant properties. You're not actually supposed to combine any sort of chemical exfoliants with vitamin C, because it is very harsh for your skin and can result in bumps. So I've been using the watermelon juice moisturizer every single morning for the past week or so, and I absolutely love it for the summer because the smell of the watermelon juice just lifts up my mood in the morning, and it's very lightweight yet delivers a ton of hydration. So it's really good for oily skin types. However, because I have normal to combination skin, I will use a hyaluronic serum and a vitamin C serum before using this. So like I said, my skin is very sensitive to chemical exfoliants, so the sleeping mask is meant to clear out everything in your skin, almost like giving your skin a new layer. It contains AHAs as its prime ingredient. The next morning, I literally woke up with the most plump and glowy skin that I've ever had thanks to this. They were like dead skin, like rolls of dead skin on my face, or like some sort of residue. So you can literally see it working the next day when you wake up. Like I said, this is very irritating if you have sensitive skin. So I definitely would not recommend using this for more than once per week. So the next product is the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. I wouldn't say this is a new product because I got a trial size of it almost 2 summers ago. When I first used it, I thought that the texture was like a very mediocre cleanser, but then as you keep using it, you will notice how it doesn't strip your face and leave it feeling super dry. This is what it looks like. So it comes with like a pump, which I think is a lot better than their smaller size, which you have to like open it each time and then like dump it into your hands. So you could be introducing like bacteria into the cleanser, and it may not last as long when you do that. So this cleanser is loaded with cold pressed superfood extracts from kale and spinach to effectively cleanse the skin, remove buildup in pores, and balance the pH without drying. So this cleanser is free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, silicones, and artificial colors. And what I love most about this specific product and just the brand overall is that everything that they make is 100% recyclable, or it's upcyclable, meaning that you can use it for something else. So this box right here, I can just go ahead and recycle it without worrying about parts being unrecyclable. This is made of glass, and after you finish using the cleanser, you can use this to hold some of your household plants or to put some fresh flowers in. I absolutely highly recommend this. The next product is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. So you guys have probably seen this like all over social media, and again, it's out of stock at Sephora at the moment. You know what? I can understand the hype behind it. I patch tested it on my forearms and I put some behind my ears, and I had 0 reactions to the sunscreen, which is pretty rare. Like the name says, Unseen Sunscreen, it's exactly what it is. You won't even feel it, and you won't even see it on your skin. It doesn't leave any sort of residue. However, it has a very strong sunscreen-like smell that you can smell in typical sunscreen. The smell basically disappeared in like 10 minutes. Protects against UVA and UVB rays. And what I love about it is that it's reef safe. As you know, a lot of chemical sunscreens, when you go out and swim the oceans, the SPF can get into the water and bleach some of the coral reefs. And we already know how a lot of them are dying out there in the world due to our pollution. So it's really important for us to become more aware of that and use sunscreen that's reef safe, so that when we go swimming in the oceans, we won't be doing any more harm to our environment. So if you're looking for a new sunscreen for this summer, I highly recommend this. So the next products that I will be reviewing are from NIOD. So if you're familiar with The Ordinary, then these are also under the same umbrella company. If you are very familiar with sciences, or if you had a science degree, I think that you will geek out on their website. The first one is called the Sanskrit Saponins Cleanser. So I actually posted some of the details about this on my Instagram post, so if you guys want to, feel free to check it out. My Instagram link will be posted on my channel as well as right here. The only thing I don't like about this is that it comes in a tube, which makes it kind of hard to like use while you're trying to wash your face and your hands are wet and you're just getting it everywhere. I actually started using this in the shower so that it's not very messy. What I love about this cleanser is that after you use it, your face won't feel like it's very dry and parched. And I find that when I put products on top of my skin after I've cleansed with this, that it actually absorbs a lot better into my skin and a lot faster. So I think that this does a great job at removing some of the debris and things that may be clogging your pores, and it smells like chocolate milk. So if you made it this far into my video, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up below if you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.